I'm Dr. Azhari Rosman. I'm a consultant cardiologist at IJN and I work as an interventional cardiologist. So you're on the Ask Me Doc program. It can happen to anyone. Heart attacks can occur at any age to anyone. If you have a weight issue, for example, the chances of you having these risk factors, we call it factor risiko, very, very likely. Maybe you didn't check it, maybe you didn't test it, maybe you didn't know, but it will affect the vessels quietly. Over a period of time, it will cause the vessels to narrow, and then one day it can rupture, and if it affects a big blood vessel, a very important vessel, people can die from it. Age group that is at risk of heart attack, I ask you all. Heart attacks can occur at the age of 21 from coronary cause. Heart disease can occur younger because they are born with it. Heart attack is a blockage, an event, a blockage of the vessels. Here you see the vessels of the heart, 1, 2 and 3, a blockage of any of these vessels. That's what causes a heart attack. High blood pressure is a condition whereby the blood pressure is elevated, is high compared to a normal person. If you have a blood pressure of 140, you have high blood pressure. So with this short session, I hope you learned something and you can take back some information which is useful. I'd like every one of you to understand that your heart is a very important, it's a miraculous organ. Remember one thing, your heart this size is the size of a fist. Each individual heart is the size of his own fist, can pump the blood from the top of your head to the bottom of your leg. So don't take this for granted, because if it's damaged, there is no replacement for this heart because it is such a complex organ. Even an artificial heart can never achieve the same kind of efficiency. So protect the heart, because once it's damaged, you cannot replace this heart, not easily, and you can never, no matter you transplant or whatever, get that function as you did in your original heart. So remember that. Get the information from the right sources, remember what needs to be done, start early, and make sure you act on it. Thank you.